Okay, so for this problem, we have that we want to write a function h of x that has the same graph as x over 1, but has these two properties. So let's remind ourselves what the graph f of x equals 1 over x looks like. It looks something like this. Where this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and this is f of x. All right. So the first thing it wants to do is this shift right 2 units. All right. And we said if we want to shift stuff to the left and to the right, we have to do it inside the f of x function. Like if we had f of x plus 1, this takes our f of x and moves it to the left 1 unit. And if we had f of x minus 1, this takes our function and moves it to the right 1 unit. All right. So we want to move it to the right 2 units. So we're going to do f of x minus 2, which is 1 over x minus 2. So this is going to give us something that looks like this. Our vertical asymptote is x is equal to 2. And we're going to get something that looks like this. All right. So when we've done that, the next thing it wants us to do is reflect across the x-axis. And then if you remember to do that, we multiply everything by -1. -1 over x minus 2. This takes all of our points and flips them down. So we get something like this. That would be what our graph kind of looks like. It's a rough sketch. I don't have a grid or anything for this problem, but this would be a rough sketch. So this is my h of x. So h of x equals -1 over x minus 2. And that would be my final answer. For these types of problems, what they're trying to get us to do is to recognize like the different steps, like this right 2 units and then reflect across the x-axis. They want us to recognize that that's two different parts. That's this part and this part.